Hi everyone, today I'm going to take you through step one of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube solve. By the end of our time today, you are going to have the bottom layer all solid yellow, and you're going to have the edges, their corresponding colors, just the first layer. So a few things that you may or may not have noticed about the Rubik's Cube: yellow is opposite white, green is opposite blue, and red is opposite orange. And the center piece doesn't move, so that's going to determine the color of the face. So your first step is to get what's called the yellow daisy. That means a yellow center, a white centerpiece, and 4 yellow petals around it. So there's no algorithm for this. You're just gonna fool around with the cube until you end up with the daisy. Okay. The yellow pieces are going to end up flipping to the bottom where they will stay. So you're going to take one of the petals, and for example, this one has orange adjacent. So you are going to twist the bottom 2 layers until you get to the orange center, like so. And then you are going to flip that whole face 180 degrees. And what that did was it just dropped the yellow piece to the bottom, and it dropped that corresponding piece adjacent to it that is going to fit with its correct center. So again, here's our next petal. It's adjacent to a red. We are going to spin the bottom 2 layers till we match red against red, and 180 degrees to drop it. 2 more petals. We have green. We are swiveling for green against green, and 180 degrees to drop it. And our next one is blue. Blue against blue, and 180 degrees. So you'll know you've done this correctly if you see the yellow plus sign on the bottom, as well as this piece matching its center, this piece matching its center, this piece matching its center, and its center. So 4 more pieces need to fit in this bottom layer, and then we are all set for today. And these are the 4 corners. This is probably the most complicated part of this step, of our steps I'm going to show you today. The piece that goes here is supposed to be the orange, blue, yellow. So I'm looking for where that will be, and it's not handy and accessible right now, so we won't start with that one. Let's look for this one. We need the orange, green, yellow. So I'm looking, and here it is. Orange, green, yellow. So I'm going to twist the cube so that that's just sitting above where it needs to fall. And then I'm going to use an algorithm that I'll use again and again repeatedly until it fits into place here. It might take me 1 time, 3 times. So here it is. It's right clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise, top counterclockwise. And then I'm going to continue to do that. Right clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise, top counterclockwise. And I'm going to continue to do it. It hasn't dropped yet, but it will. And there it goes until that piece drops to where it needs to be, and now it is. So I have 3 more pieces. I've got this guy, and I'm looking, and he's supposed to be fitting right here. I want him to drop straight down. So again, it's facing me. I'm going right, top, right, top, with those last 2 counterclockwise. It still hasn't dropped, so I'm going to do that one more time. 2 more times. Still hasn't dropped. It will. And here it goes. And there you go. Now it's in place. So I've got this edge, this one, just 2 more left. So I need this guy. He's got to be red, blue, yellow. So I'm going to find him. Here he is. And I want him to drop right, top, counter right, counter top. And it drop right away. And now I've got this guy, and I want him to fall straight down, right, top, counter right, counter top. And there we go. All right, so we have our yellow face on the bottom. We have every piece in our first layer that matches its corresponding center color. Okay. So this is the first of probably 3 tutorials that I'm going to be sharing here to help you solve the 3x3 cube. My next one will come in like a week. Go ahead and practice that until that, you know, becomes easier and quicker. And we'll start out next time with our cube in this state. So any questions, just send me a message, and I'm here to help and have fun. And have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.